In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get started on Bill.com. If you are new to Bill.com, this walkthrough will help you get set up quickly and in the right order so you can move from signing up to importing contacts with confidence. To begin, go to Bill.com and look for the Sign Up button or the Get Started option. This is usually the main button on the homepage or the landing page. Take a moment to click it and let the Sign Up page load. On the screen, you should see fields where you can start creating your account. Next, you will provide your email address and create a password. Enter the email you want to use for your Bill.com account and then type a password that meets the site requirements. As you type, make sure the information is correct and easy for you to remember. After that, proceed by selecting the button to continue or create your account. This step matters because your login details are what you will use every time you come back to manage invoices, bills, and business activity. Once your account is created, you will complete the business profile setup. This usually includes entering details such as your name, your address, and your industry. When you are filling out the business profile, pay attention to each field because it helps Bill.com tailor the experience for your business. If there are optional sections, you can still fill them in now if you have the information available, but the main goal is to complete the required items so you can access your dashboard. After the business profile is finished, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. Spend a few seconds getting oriented. Look for the main menu, any quick setup prompts, and the sections that lead to payments, requests, vendors, customers, and settings. Your dashboard is the home base for your account, and understanding where things are located will make the rest of your setup much smoother. Now you will move to the settings area, specifically the roles and permissions section. In the settings, look for roles and permissions and open it. This is where you can invite team members and control what they can access within your Bill.com account. This step is important because it helps you manage responsibilities and keep sensitive tasks limited to the right people. When you invite team members, make sure you select the appropriate role for each person based on what they need to do. After you have set up roles and permissions, you will shift your attention to contacts. Bill.com typically organizes contacts under Vendors and Customers tabs. Navigate to the Vendors or Customers tabs depending on what you need first. For example, if you work with suppliers, you would start with Vendors. If you send invoices to clients, you would start with Customers. Once you are in the correct tab, you will import your contacts. Look for an import option or a way to upload contact information. Since the goal is to reduce manual work, importing contacts helps you populate your lists quickly and avoids missing details. Carefully follow the prompts on screen and make sure the contact information is placed in the right fields during the import process. When the import is complete, take a moment to confirm that the contacts appear properly in the vendors or customers list. If anything looks off, you can usually go back and correct it before you start sending or requesting payments. This quick check helps ensure your account is organized from the start, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to get started on Bill.com, from signing up and setting up your business profile to navigating your dashboard, inviting team members through roles and permissions, and importing your vendors or customers.